sorry, I want to show you something.
Ο καλύτερος κόλος. Ο καλύτερος κόλος.
This is his favorite product. Sorry for the interruption.
Ο καλύτερος κόλος μες στην Έκμα.
Yes.
Κοίτα πόσο ομορφιά είναι.
Ναι.
Πραγματικά δηλαδή έργο τέχνης έχει κάνει. Όποιος το σχεδίασε. Και πολλοί φωτογράφους. Τι βίντεο κάνουμε τώρα?
Καθένα μοναχό του.
Come here, I want to show them something.
Okay. I have to do this review. I didn't finish.
Ορίστε.
Perfect. And one from the side. He's 190, 6.2 feet. For your eyes only.
I want to show them something.
I'm coming. Okay.
I want to show them something. Look.
Okay.
She's bored. You see?
Yeah.
Tired. Okay, I want to show them something.
Because it's closing time now.
Look.
Yes.
This is the best nose. Here. So beautiful design. Look at the nose. Look by yourself.
Yes, I can see. I can
Isn't
see.
it cute?
Very.
And the best ass here.
Yes, I can hold.
Look this beauty. Look. And this, to my eyes, is the best design.
For this.
The best design, I'm not comparing with others total. I'm talking about the design from front and behind.
Yeah, I understand.
I like it. I'm not comparing the scooter, itself.
Yeah. You say what you like.
Yes, honest. I think the designer here, the person who designed this, they should not change it. They should keep it. This is beautiful.